Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can get Apple ID verification code without number. So if you want to get the Apple ID verification code without number, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can get Apple ID verification code without number. So now let's get started how you can do that. First of all, here you will have to open Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here in search bar you will have to search for appleid.apple.com. So after that you will see this type of interface. Here you need to tab on use a different Apple account. So after that here you'll have to put your Apple ID Gmail address. Then tab on here. So after that here you'll have to continue with password. Then here you need to enter your Apple ID password. So here you can see that it's asking me for the two-factor authentication. So how you can get the Apple ID two-factor authentication here. So here you'll have to minimize this. Then after that open your iPhone device where your Apple ID is signed in. So here I'm going to open that. Then here you'll have to tap on your Apple ID profile. So here you will need tab on sign in and security. So after that here you will have tab on two-factor authentication. Then scroll down, then here tab on get verification code. So here you will see the Apple ID verification code in your iPhone device. You will have to copy this and paste there. Here you will have to paste that code on your iPhone device. So in this way you can get Apple ID verification code without number or without your email address. So in this way you can do that. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.